Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the physical path. This solves most issues fast. First, make sure the router or switch in your PC are powered and LEDs indicate link. Look closely at the RJ45 plugs for bent pins or dirt, because a damaged connector prevents a link. Once done, swap in a confirmed good cable and move to a different LAN port on the router to rule out a single bad jack. These quick swaps isolate hardware faults before digging deeper. Next, reset state by restarting devices in sequence. Modem, router, then your PC, pausing about 30 seconds between reboots so firmware and DHCP lease clear. Then inspect your network interface card status in Device Manager or Network Settings. Reinstall or update the driver if it shows errors. If auto-negotiation misbehaves, set the NIC to a fixed speed, 100 megabits or 1 gigabit, because mismatched settings can prevent a link. Make sure IP settings are DHCP or correctly assigned to finish, refresh networking. Release and renew the IP address on your PC. On Windows, use ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew. This resolves lease conflicts. Test the same cable and port with a different device. If that device connects, the issue is local to your original PC. If nothing works, consider a router factory reset as a last resort and then call your ISP. Troubleshooting tip: if link lights are still absent, boot a USB Live OS to rule out the installed OS as the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.